Hey yo, what's going on guys? Back with me in Optimus Studio today. I'm alone. I don't have the partner, so I'm gonna do it alone. Today I have the Optimus MO1 battle damage one. Is Jiang made it. So I've made the MO1. I've made the MO1 in the last I don't know when, but if you guys haven't watched it out, go and watch it. It is cool. So without further ado, let's just go and open this up. I like kind of cool how this thing. Okay, you see. Okay, a manual. Go one manual. Nice. You see. So the MO1-D for the damage one. Have this plastic. I'm gonna take this off. Wow, look at that inside. Oh, so let's take this. Oh, put this aside. Take this plastic off, and I'm going to take this off. No, I don't think I need it. So let's see what we got. So we got the battle damage sword. You see, the battle damage sword. See, the battle damage sword. Kind of like this detail that it made. Also like the scarf. See? Wait. There you go. See? The detail, kind of like the particle kind of thing. See? Cool. You have got dual sword. You got the battle damage mask. You can see. There you go. I want to take it off so you guys can see it clearly. See, there you go. You see? There you go. Cool. Yep. The battle damage. The battle damage max. I mean, I like the detail. It is cool. So after the max, we got dual sword max. Got the battle damage shield, as you can see, the battle damage shield. We're going to take this off too, so you guys can see. Yeah. It's quite heavy. So this is the battle damage shield. Look at that, cool. So kind of the detail that it made. You see that thing? Look at that. The detail of the battle damage one is cool. So battle damage shield. Okay. I'm going to put this inside because I like it to be in the package. So this is what I like the most. The battle damage axe, as you can see. There you go. And this one too. Wait. There you go. See the handle of this. And all this is the part. Wait, there you go. You see? Nice. This part is cool. Battle damage axe. This one, the battle damage cannon or gun. I think the blaster. I think yeah, this is the battle damage one. Also, everything is battle damage. Now, finished with equipment. We're going to the Optimus. I'm gonna take this box away because this box is big. Yeah, take it off. So this is the Optimus. You can see. Kind of cool. I mean, see Optimus. So the head articulation. Oh wait, so straight to the hand. See. So the head articulation, as you can see, it can go up. Wait, it can go side. Go up and down. Okay, cool. The hand articulation. Go. You got the sound. This go up. This one you can move this. Also the hand you can move this also. Same as the left hand. There you go. Move this up. This go up. This can twist. So this can twist too. Cool. So you got the finger can move. This is this finger can move. Wait, let me show you. Yeah, this finger can move. The leg articulation. There we go. sound. I think the knee. Yes, you see. Can bend the knee. Oh, this one is this part. You see. The sound, nice. This one also. See. Ah. This one bend. The rope, you see. Bending knees, nice. Now, this is cool. I mean, like, for me, the MO1 Optimus that Jiang made is cool, but I like the MO1 better damage one the most, cause it got cool design. To be honest, you see. So this is a detail, okay? This is not on purpose. I mean, it's not like I'm sketching it, but it just you guys will see my this one is like scratch on it. So the no, this is like the detail for the better damage one. This is why I say it's cool. You see, got the better damage. So they got the damage. They got everything got damage. I like it. It's cool. Again, you got the manual. Got the manual. Yes, you got the manual. See the manual. Wait, let me put this down. There we go. So this one put this down. The dual sword, max, better damage, an axe, shield. So everything of this is better damage. This is why it's got better damage. It is cool, not bad. So I think I mean the back of it, you can see the back. Look at that. See? I mean, it's not bad. So it's not going to be much that I'm going to, I mean, talk about this, but still, this is for the video. And if you guys enjoy this video, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you guys won't miss any video that this channel upload. Also, hit the like button so you can show some support on us. Share to your friend about this video because this is cool. You got the better damage one and the MO1. Yes, I think that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.